Please stay tuned as I demonstrate how to make the best corn soup Jamaican style. Oh, hi there everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Alright, family and friends, to do this corn soup, first I will chop all the ingredients. As you can see, I am chopping my corn in about 1 inch to inch and a half size. I'm chopping 2 carrots. Next, I am going to dice my pumpkin, guys, and then I will press 4 cloves of garlic. Now, family and friends, this is a recipe I learned from my mom. When we used to go to the field, we would cook the corn right there in the field, guys, and this was divine and absolutely wonderful. So I invite you to hit the like button, leave your comment in the comment section, tell me where you're watching from, and I certainly will send you a big up. Now, family and friends, as you can see, all the ingredients are in the pot. I will add to that 2 cups of water. I'll add some Creole seasoning, some tropical season, and of course my garlic salt, covered to cook for about 15 minutes. Now, after 15 minutes, family and friends, this is what you want your pumpkin to look like. The texture is soft to touch because you want it to give it a nice color and texture to your soup. Next, I add a cup of coconut milk. I've added some diced potatoes, guys. I've stirred this in and just look at how good and inviting this look already. Now, while my soup is coming back to a boil, guys, I've needed about half cup of dough to make some spinners. Now, family and friends, you know soup can't be soup without some spinners dumpling in it. Now, guys, next I've mixed a pack of cocked soup, guys, into half cup of water, and then, guys, I pour the sauce into the soup. Next, I add 2 stem of scallion, guys, and some sprig of thyme, cover to allow my dumplings to cook in for about 10 minutes. Now, family and friends, if you have stayed with me thus far, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit the like button and leave your comment in the comment section. Now, after 10 minutes, look on this, people, look good, smell good. Family and friends, just wait little, it's not quite done as yet. I'm gonna stir this in just for you to see how nice this look. Yes, it has everything that you need to have a filling meal. Next, family and friends, I add a teaspoon of butter to this. I stir this in. Check for salt. You can add salt and pepper to taste. Add some allspice. I'm using the allspice, guys, and then I stir this in and allow it to simmer down. While the soup is simmering, it's time for my dollop of spiritual encouragement. Christ has called us to higher standard. In Matthew 11:25, in speaking to his disciples, he said, "Take my yoke and learn from me, for I am meek and lowly in heart." When Christ has put his spirit in us, only then we can put the needs of others first and be a servant leader. Family and friends, let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me. It was my absolute pleasure doing this for you. This is such a wonderful filling, guys. Tasty, delicious soup. And as you can see, yeah, man, I've served it into my Jamaican cup. I've topped this off with some green onion, nothing like fresh flavors from our herbs and spices, guys, when you are having your soup. This is so delicious. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.